The Philippine Coast Guard is slated to get 5 new multi-role response vessels, MRRVs, after the National Economic Development Authority Board approved Phase 3 of the PCG's Maritime Safety Capability Improvement Project, NEDA Secretary Arsenio Balisican said on Thursday. The total project cost is P29.3 billion, which will be financed through an Official Development Assistance (ODA) loan from the Japanese government. Balisican said the project would improve the Philippine Coast Guard's capability to respond to threats and incidents in the country's maritime jurisdiction. This project involves the design, construction, and delivery of 5 units of multi-role response vessels, or MRRVs, each with a length of 97 meters. This project also includes a 5-year integrated logistics support, Balisican said at a palace briefing. In particular, the project will enable the Coast Guard to secure important sea lines of communication in the West Philippine Sea, Sulu-Celebes Seas, and the Philippine Sea. It will also help the PCG combat illegal activities and enforce maritime laws in the Philippine waters, he added. Asked if these vessels may be used in resupply missions, Balisican answered in the affirmative. Yes, because these are the kind of vessels that can navigate, for example, rough seas, for the delivery of supplies in those areas, the NEDA chief said. However, Balisican said that the vessels would not be used by the military. This is for the Coast Guard, not for military purposes, but wiring of communications, enhancing of communication systems, addressing threats to our people, especially fishermen, Balisican said. Basically, also for emergencies if there are typhoons, provide assistance to people threatened by disasters, he added. TPLEX extension. Meanwhile, Balisican said the NEDA board also approved the revised parameters, terms, and conditions, or PTCs, of the Tarlac-Pangasinan-La Union Expressway, or TPLEX extension project as recommended by the Investment Coordination Committee. He said these PTCs were negotiated between the Department of Public Works and Highways and the original proponent of the unsolicited PPP project. Balisican said that following the approval, the DPWH will proceed with the publication of the invitation for comparative proposals in accordance with the revised 2022 Build Operate Transfer Law implementing rules and regulations, as well as the ICC guidelines on processing PPP proposals. Approved in June of this year, the TPLEX extension project involves a 59.4-kilometer toll road, which will connect from the last exit of TPLEX in Rosario, La Union, to San Juan, La Union. Meanwhile, the Pang Agrarian Tulay para sa Bagong Bayanihan ng Mga Magsasaka, or PBBM Bridges project of the Department of Agrarian Reform was also approved by the board. The project, with a total cost of P28.2 billion, aims to construct 350 modular steel bridges with an estimated total length of 10,500 linear meters. Balisican said these bridges would enhance access and connectivity for agrarian reform communities. The ease of mobility and access to and from the agrarian reform communities will generate more employment and address the community's need for better access to social services and market outlets for their agricultural products, he said.